These are my 10 must-nots when you go into escrow, aka under contract. Once you find your dream home, we need to make sure that you can move into it. So these are my 10. And oh my goodness. Over the years, we have seen so many buyers make some very critical mistakes after they've gone under contract on their dream home. Hi everyone, my name is Travis Poland. I am with Berkshire Hathaway and a proud member of the Acre Group. In the end, if you would like to know some more details, you just have to contact me. My number and contact will be below. Once you go into contract, don't do any of these following things. Don't change your job, like become self-employed or even quit your job. Number 2, don't buy a car, van, or truck, or else you will probably end up living in it. Number 3, don't use any of your charge cards and do not let them fall behind. Number 4, don't spend money that you have set aside for your closing. Number 5, don't omit any debt or liabilities from your loan application. Number 6, don't buy any furniture, even if the payment is deferred until after closing. Don't do it. Number 7, don't allow any additional inquiries on your credit except for insurance purposes. Number 8, I know this sounds crazy, but don't make any large deposits or take out any large deposits without first checking with your lender. Number 9, don't change banks. And number 10, lastly, this one is very important. Do not co-sign for anyone no matter what. And be sure to tell your lender if you're already a co-signer for someone on something, because that debt, it does go against you. I hope this helps. We just really want to make sure that you understand how to keep your home and actually close on it once you find it. Give us a call. We'll be sure to go over a lot more information and how to keep you safe throughout the process and get you closed on the house after finally going under contract. Remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that you keep them good ones. Again, my name is Travis Poland. I'm your Littleton real estate guy. I will see you on the next one.